In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in Miro. Lines are essential for connecting ideas, building flowcharts, and making your whiteboard clear and easy to follow. We'll start from the Miro dashboard and end with a clean line on your board that you can style to fit your project. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see your existing boards and controls for creating new content. If you're new to Miro, don't worry. Everything we're doing today works on a blank board and is straightforward to follow. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New. This is the quickest way to start fresh without distractions. You'll be presented with choices for what you want to create. Choose Board to open a blank canvas. A blank board makes it easy to practice without clutter, and you can always add templates and widgets later. With your board open, look to the toolbar, usually along the left side. Find the Shapes and Lines menu. This is where Miro keeps basic drawing tools like rectangles, circles, arrows, and connectors. Click it to expand your options. If you don't see the labels, hover your mouse over the icons and the names will appear. This helps you confirm you've got the right tool. Now select Line. After you click Line, your cursor will change to indicate you're in drawing mode. This tool lets you create simple straight lines or connectors between objects on the board. To draw a line, move your cursor to where you want the line to begin. Click once to set the starting point, drag to the desired endpoint, and release to finish. If you want a perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree line, hold the Shift key while you drag. If you're connecting two shapes, hover near the shape edges to snap the line to connection points. This keeps your diagrams neat and aligned. When the line is selected, you'll see handles at the ends. You can drag these to reposition the endpoints precisely. After the line is placed, a quick formatting toolbar typically appears near it. Here, you can change the color, thickness, dashed or solid style, and add arrowheads on one or both ends. These adjustments don't add steps, they simply refine the line you've already drawn. If you make a mistake, use Undo to go back a step or select the line and press Delete to remove it. That's it. You've visited Miro, created a new board, opened the Shapes and Lines menu, chose the Line tool, and drew a clean, precise line. Practice a couple of times to get comfortable, and you'll be ready to build clear diagrams and connected workflows in no time.